Hello my friends, we are going to draw a kangaroo today since we are living in Australia. So you can see I have my finished product over here. I have another version here with a blue background. You can draw yours however you would like. I'm going to hold this one because I think the background is a little bit easier to see, our kangaroo. Alright, to get started, we are going to start by drawing a half circle. You're going to need a pencil and an eraser for this. We're going to do a lot of erasing today. Okay, so we're going to start by drawing a diagonal line across our paper. Nice and big. Now we're going to draw a half circle that comes on top. And then we are going to draw its head, which will be an oval right off the top here. And on that same angle. If you need to turn your paper, you can do that if it's easier to draw an oval straight up and down. That's your choice. Now we need to connect the body to the head. We're going to draw a little curved line here and a straight line here, and then we're going to erase these lines in between. Next we need to do the ears. So we are going to draw one ear touching the top and one ear up front and overlapping the head. You can draw these round or sort of pointy, that's your choice. And if you want to draw the inside of your ear, you can do that too. We need an eyeball. The eyeballs go about halfway between the top of the head and the nose. And then we're going to go ahead and add a nice big nose onto our kangaroo. All right, I made that one a little bit too big. There we go. Now we need to add that tail off the back. Now the tail of a kangaroo is as strong as a leg. So we're going to go ahead and bring that down. And we're going to bring this one down as well. And round that edge off. We'll erase this line here. Told you lots of erasing today. Now we need to draw the legs. Kangaroo legs are very strong and powerful. So we're going to start right here in the middle of our half circle, just off to the side. And we're going to draw a nice round curve and then bring it straight down, almost like a question mark or like a half circle with a line off of it. For the back line, we're just going to draw kind of a curved line, and then we're going to make those nice round feet. We'll give it a toe and erase this line in the middle. Now to do the other foot, we're not going to overlap the body. We're going to start at this bottom line, but we're going to follow the same line as our foot. So nice curve, and we'll draw a second foot almost right next to it and put that toe in. So it looks like we have two legs right next to each other. If you want to add a little bit more of a curve, you can. It's your choice. I like my kangaroos kind of chubby. Alright, next we need some arms. We're going to draw some long U shapes. One that overlaps the body and one that does not. That just ends at that line. And we'll erase this overlapping line. We've got a lot of overlapping. Overlapping means one thing goes on top of the other. We can add some little claws. Now right now our kangaroo is floating in space, so we need to give it a ground. So this is the horizon line. The horizon line is where the ground meets the sky. And you can add anything you want now. We could add some grasses by just putting little zigzag lines sort of scattered around. We can put in a cloud in the sky if we want. I draw a straight line at the bottom and then I add some little lumps at the top. I could add a second cloud if I wanted, or a sunshine. Alright my friends, and that's it. I'm going to trace this with my Sharpie, and then we can go ahead and start coloring. If you want, you could also do like I did here and just trace it with your crayon. Okay, after we're done drawing with our Sharpie, we're going to just erase those pencil lines. And Then we can add some color. Trixie. All right, here we go. Now we can add our color. You can choose your sky, any color you want. You can make yours kangaroo on the grass. This one has bendy arms. This one has straight. You are the artist. You can customize this however you like. Have fun.